Gwanar kulliya da tsafta, amintarciyar kowa, ma'abociyar atamfa. Amazing, beautiful, not to a flower. You or the flower, it is hard to say which is which. Nice
today.
word and appearance conclude the attribute of heart. Kamar yadda hamdala ke subucewa daga labuka a lokacin da aka hange ki cikin atamfa. Hadiza Gabon, loving and caring right down to the core. Cikar farin ciki da annashuwa and so much more. I name you buoyant. A joyful heart shine buoyant heart, empowered to rise above its circumstance. Unweighted, unburdened, unbowed, tied only to that which will lift it higher. Hadiza Aliyu, your eyes are stunning. Babu mai kalla ya look away, gorgeous da sha'awa all throughout the day. Hadiza, dan saurara, sky is blue, sun seems due, life has no clue when you breathe.